Nicholas Academic Center students gathered on Saturday, May 11th for the last Chapman Visiting Scholars Series lecture of the 2012-2013 school year. The featured speaker, Chapman professor Dr. Lisa Sparks, talked to NAC students about health literacy and the importance of achieving shared meaning.
How do we create shared meaning about healthcare and conditions? Okay, it's a shorter definition, but it's really powerful because creating shared meaning is not always easy if you're coming at an issue from very different viewpoints, right? So to come together and start to understand each other and create shared meaning is not as easy as it sounds. But if you can achieve that, you're usually going to get your needs met and get the help from the provider.
Dr. Sparks challenged NAC students to carefully read a number of slides to discover the similarities and differences between healthcare solutions given for a hypothetical scenario in which a fictional epidemic is threatening 600 lives. In reality, the solutions were the same, but they appeared different because of how they were worded.
So it was the way the message was framed. The information was the same factually, the facts were the same, but it was presented in different ways. It shows how much health messaging really matters and can make a big difference in how we make a decision.
I want to say that it's super important for families not to feel like scared about asking doctors, because that's what they're there for, you know, and I'm sure that they don't mind. It's just they don't know that you don't understand. So families, you should just get over it and just go ahead and ask as much questions as you have.
You shouldn't be scared to ask a question, even if it's a dumb question. No question is ever too dumb. It's the fact that if you know it's going to be able to help you and understand, you know, it's better to ask, because it's better to know something than not to know anything at all.
For the second half of the lecture, students worked in small groups to create campaigns to bring attention to issues like teen drug use, healthy eating options at home and at school, and the effects, both good and bad, of parental and peer influence. One of the groups chose to act out a skit in which two friends approached a third friend to offer her help in overcoming a growing drug addiction.
We did it because there's a lot of people that have addiction, and they don't want anybody to help them. And there's some people that are willing to help them, but they just need to find the right person.
Since the Chapman Visiting Scholars Series was established in 2010, hundreds of Santa Ana Unified School District students have been exposed to a collegiate environment through lectures such as the one presented by Dr. Sparks. The lecture series is made possible through the partnership between Chapman University and the Nicholas Academic Centers.